whenever a project is created, you get two boards by default. One is Kanban and one is the Scrum board. Rest, you can create multiple boards by clicking on Create Board. So I'll quickly go through with the Scrum and Kanban. I'll open this one here and Kanban in the next tab. So if we talk about the Scrum board, it is used in the Scrum framework, which is a time box approach to agile management. In Scrum, we work on sprints where sprints are defined for a particular time interval, whereas in Kanban, there are no sprints, no time interval. It is used in a Kanban methodology, which focuses on continuous delivery and improving workflow efficiency. While in Scrum, you cannot pick task in between, as the sprint is already started, and if you will pick task in between, it will hamper the report. While in Kanban, you can pick the task as per the capacity of the team. So as you can see in the Scrum, here it's showing 4 days remaining because the start date was 26th August and end date is 2 September and the sprint is already started. You are getting the complete sprint option. So these tasks which are open here, which are in progress in to do, should be completed within 4 days. These are the to do in progress done. These are the columns which are showing up. So the whatever issue in the to do status which we have defined, or whatever stories are in progress, they will reflect under the columns accordingly. While in Kanban, there is no sprint option, no time option, right? Here we also have the same columns according to the status, and we can also add multiple columns